Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Alright, we'll stop at GBP NZD. The next trade on my list is USD CAD. USD CAD, I bought USD CAD last week after taking 3 loss last week. USD CAD turned out to be a winner. This week USD CAD, I'm looking to buy USD CAD, continuing buying USD CAD. The USD CAD weekly, we are bullish on the weekly. This has been our higher high, this has been our higher low, and we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. Okay, this market has a high tendency of buying from the zone. Look at the last time we got to this zone, bullish engulf, and then retest. We had this bullish engulf, and this market push to the upside. Now we are having a bullish engulf at this same zone again. We have a high tendency of this market having that push to the upside. Coming down to the daily. On the daily, we are bearish. On the daily, we are bearish. It's been our lower low, lower high as at the zone, and we're at a very clean support and resistance zone. Alright, on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we are bullish. It's been our higher high, it's been our higher low, so I'm waiting for the market to take out the zone. So the retest, we have that push to the upside. USD CAD. Alright, we have that push to the upside. Coming down. Next trade, Euro AUD. Euro AUD, another interesting market. Another very interesting market. Weekly, we are bearish. This has been our lower low, this has been our lower high, and we're at a very clean support and resistance zone. On the daily, we are also bearish. This has been our lower low, this has been our lower high. The daily we are also bearish, and we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. Alright, very clean support and resistance zone. Whenever we are above, we are buying, and whenever we are below, we are selling. Whenever we are above, we are using as a support. Whenever we are below, retest as a resistance. Whenever we are above, support. Whenever we are below, resistance. So right now, this market has broken below now. Same pattern it has been doing. Whenever I break below, we have this little pullback, then we have a bearish candle push to the downside. Whenever we break below, this pullback, indecision candle push to the downside. Whenever we have this break below, retest, push to the downside, retest, push to the downside. Now we have this pullback again. Now we are having the daily bearish indecision here. We have a high tendency of this market pushing to the downside, judging from previous patterns and behavior. So on the 4 hour, we are bearish. This has been our lower low, this has been our lower high, so we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. Last but not the least, CAD JPY. CAD JPY, I'm looking to sell CAD JPY. It's been a long time since I last traded CAD JPY. So right now, okay, this is my take on USD CAD. I'm having something beautiful for me. We are having left shoulder, head. Now we're gonna have this right shoulder to have that push to the downside. Okay, this is gonna be a neckline. Alright, but currently I'm looking to say CAD JPY. Okay, the weekly is bullish, and we are at a very clean support and resistance zone. Okay, whenever we are below, we are using this zone as a resistance. Whenever we are above, as a support. Now on the daily, we are also having the same head and shoulder forming on the daily. Whenever we are below this zone as a resistance, whenever we are above as a support. So I'm simply waiting for the market to take out this zone like this, retest for me to set to the downside. I personally just prefer selling this market for the for a short period of time, just this week. Then before we'll have that push to the upside to give us a right shoulder. So this week I'm looking to sell CAD JPY. Alright, that's pretty much it for this week. Since market has just been analyzed. Alright, if you want to trade live for me, if you want to trade all this market with me, there'll be a description down below where you can trade live for me and my team. So without further ado, this is the end of today. So stay tuned. I'm wishing you guys a peaceful and a peaceful week ahead. Alright, stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated on these pairs, how they all played out. Alright, let's see if we can get our winning streak back this week. That's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment on this video, and also turn on your notification button, because I'll be taking all this trade live with you all. Alright, peace out and enjoy the rest of your week.